I'm Stella Alexandrian, a French certified trainer in nonviolent communication. And I'm passionate to share nonviolent communication in a very simple, accessible way for people who don't necessarily have access to it. That's why after having lived 30 years as an orthodontist, having brought up 3 children, now I'm dedicated to bring this wonderful tool for awareness and connection between people and support for social change. I'm joyful to offer you a training, a very special training about the No-Fault Zone game, which for me is a wonderful way to learn NVC very quickly in a simple way, and also to be able to train other people in a very simple way. The No-Fault Zone game, I find a specific tool to support the nonviolent communication tools and share them very quickly, very efficiently. It has been used all over the world in many countries, China, India already, and South America, Europe, all ages. And I'm offering this workshop in 3 parts of 3 hours, so that you can both enjoy the game and learn NVC, and at the same time learn a way to share NVC if you want to share it with communities. So I invite you for this month of January starting 2021 in a connecting way. Come to the training on the No-Fault Zone game.